Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear students, how are you today? Well, I hope you are fine. Welcome again with me, Ma'am Annie. I will accompany you to do activities today. Just stay here to keep on learning and always keep your spirit. Now, let's take it out next explanation. Okay, student, are you ready? Good. Well, may Allah give us a healthy life and a clear mind to study today. We will learn about cause and effect today. But firstly, I had to inform you the basic competence of this topic atau kompetensi dasarnya ya. Menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan, teks, interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat. Fokus kepada because of, due to, and thanks to. And this one is the learning objective atau tujuan pembelajarannya. Mengidentifikasi situasi yang memunculkan pernyataan sebab akibat, kemudian memahami unsur kebahasaan dari sebuah teks dalam memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat. And the last, menulis teks pendek yang melibatkan pernyataan sebab akibat. Let's see next ya. What is cause and effect? Kita lihat di sini contoh dari bukan contoh ya, tapi ini sebuah definisi atau penjelasan. Cause and effect. Ya, cause is why something happens and effects what happens as a result. Ya, contohnya di sini ada signal words-nya bisa menggunakan kata so, as a result, because, therefore, consequently, due to, which cause. Berikut cause and effect, ada hujan dan ada umbrella atau payung di situ. An effect is what happens in a story and a cause is why something happen. Jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwa kalimat cause effect itu adalah sebuah kalimat sebab akibat ya, di mana induk kalimat menyatakan sebab ya. Induk kalimat menyatakan sebab dan anak kalimatnya menyatakan akibat. Kedua kalimat tersebut dihubungkan oleh kata sambung atau conjunction. Kita lihat contoh berikutnya. Nah, seperti tadi sudah saya sampaikan ya, tadi a cause and effect. A cause is something that makes something else happen. It is the reason. And an effect is the result of the cause. Contohnya, it was raining for a week. There are flooding everywhere. Hujan sudah berminggu-minggu adalah penyebab. Efeknya banjir di mana-mana. Demikian juga dengan kalimat kedua, a girl studied hard for a test. So Sally got a 9 on her test. And the third, Joyce was very tired. Joyce went to bed early. Okay. Berikut contoh-contoh kalimat yang menggunakan cause effect seperti due to, as a result, so, because of, and thanks to. Due to the difficult economic situations in the country, the criminal rate rises. Ya, dikarenakan situasi ekonomi yang sulit di sebuah negara, ya, tingkat kriminal meningkat. Cake and candy are high in sugar. As a result, they are bad for your teeth. Karena cake dan candy banyak mengandung gula, sebagai akibatnya benda-benda tersebut tidak baik untuk gigi kalian, gigi kita. Nah, the trash can is full, so mother asked me to take it out. Keranjang sampahnya sudah penuh sehingga ibu meminta saya untuk membawanya keluar. Demikian pula dengan kata di situ memakai kata because of dan juga thanks to. Ya, banyak sekali selain yang tadi sudah tercantum di awal ya. Kita belajar tentang due to, because of, thanks to, owing to, ternyata ada juga ya. Dan masih banyak lagi seperti as a consequence of, as a result of, therefore, so, that is why, consequently. So there are so many kinds of phrase of cause and effect that we can use in communication. Now, how the cause and effect applied in a dialogue? Let's see, I give you the example of a dialogue. This is between Silda and Arin. Ini adalah sebuah contoh aplikasi dari penggunaan cause and effect di dalam sebuah dialog. Dari dialog-dialog ini akan saya ambil 1-2 kalimat sebagai contohnya. Ya. Maybe I need to read first ya. Hey Arin, I recognize that your face is looking brighter and you look slimmer. What's the secret? Arin say, well, thanks for noticing, Sil. For the past months, I have been working out regularly at least 3 weeks, 2 times a week. Thanks to Bagas. Wow, sounds very interesting. Yes, but not only it. I also have been taking care of my food. Due to my lactose intolerance, I try to avoid dairy as much as possible, and it works for me. I'm very inspired, and as a result of my laziness and eating too much junk food, I gained 5 kilograms in a month. I need to get back in shape and do more workout. Yes, I support you. Kita lihat ya. Kata yang menyatakan cause and effect di kalimat berikut. For the past months, I have been working out regularly, at least 2 times a week. Thanks to Bagas. I recognize that your face is looking brighter and you look slimmer. Ya, jadi penyebabnya kalimat yang pertama, efeknya ada di anak kalimat. Ya, I recognize that your face is looking brighter and you look slimmer. Dan kedua kalimat itu dijadikan menjadi satu kalimat dengan menggabungkan cause and effects kata thanks to. Berikut juga sama, cause and effect yang kedua, due to my lactose intolerance, I try to avoid dairy as much as possible. Kata due to bisa diletakkan di depan kalimat pertama sebagai penyebabnya. Ya. Berikut yang ketiga sama juga ya, cause and effect as a result of my laziness and eating too much junk food, I gain 5 kilograms in a month. Junk food is really a danger food, so I think we need to go back to the nature ya. Balik lagi ke natural, makan yang sehat. Oke, kita masuk ke strukturnya ya dari kata due to. Due to must be followed by a noun. Ya. Due to plus noun plus effect clause ya, subject, predicate, and object. Maksudnya di sini due to kata jutu diikuti oleh kata benda, sedangkan efeknya efek clause berarti ya berupa kalimat lengkap yang terdiri dari subjek, predikat, and objek atau komplement atau penyerta. Ya. Contohnya seperti di nomor 1 ya, due to Jane's laziness, she didn't pass the math test. Dikarenakan kemalasan dari Jane, dia tidak lulus tes matematika. Kata laziness menyatakan kata benda. Ya. Berikut juga sama dengan di kalimat kedua, due to lack of enough food. Lack of enough food juga kata benda menyatakan kekurangan makan yang cukup. Demikian kalimat ketiga juga sama. There are a lot of passengers were harmed due to that accident. Accident di situ kata benda. Thanks to plus noun sekarang sama juga nih. Thanks to juga diikuti oleh kata benda. Sedangkan kalimat yang kedua atau anak kalimatnya yang mengandung klausa efek harus diikuti oleh sebuah kalimat lengkap yang terdiri dari subjek, predikat, dan objek atau complements. Nah, sekarang kita lihat di sini perbedaan antara thanks to and due to. Untuk kalimat yang pertama kita lihat ya, memiliki makna positif ya. John had been saved thanks to one little boy's bravery. Mengandung kata yang makna yang sarkasme ya. Dalam kalimat Mom won't let me see my friends tonight thanks to you. In this case, thanks to could also be replaced by because of. Jadi sebenarnya kata thanks to di sini boleh juga berarti because of. Yang berikut ya mengandung kata untuk due to ya. Sally received a promotion due to all the hard work she had done that year. Demikian juga dengan kalimat berikutnya ya, berarti konotasinya negatif di sini. All the flights had been cancelled due to the volcano eruption. Kita lanjut, because of sekarang. Because of juga sama. Because of selalu diikuti oleh kata benda. Because of plus noun, and then the effect must be followed by clause. Untuk kalimatnya hampir semuanya diikuti oleh sebuah clause atau anak kalimat yang mengandung subjek, predikat, objek atau komplement. Kita lihat di sini. Contohnya juga ada 3 di sini ya. Because of contoh pertama deh, a cliff or mountain may slide down because of the water in the rock. And the second, frequently drivers or the passengers driving without seat belts die because of this. Redirect flights of Garuda Indonesia from Yogyakarta to Surakarta because of runway accident. So you have to remember that because of must be followed by a noun. But if we use because must be followed by a complete sentence. Jadi because of diikuti oleh kata benda, sedangkan because hanya because harus diikuti oleh kalimat yang lengkap terdiri dari subjek, predikat, objek atau komplement. Okay, now we come to the exercises. There are 5 sentences that you have to identify. Ya, ada 5 kalimat di sini. Saya minta kalian dapat mengidentifikasi ya dari tiap-tiap kalimat tersebut. Identify what the cause and effect of the following sentences. Ya, you can do it individually ya, and let me know your answer. Well, I think that's all what I had to say today. Yeah, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, having observed the material I explained, I hope you get more understand. Please do not hesitate to ask me and inform me. I will be very welcome. Okay, see you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.